Hello, I'm Yuvraj from Coimbatore. Just completed the 3-day Nikon Advanced Wildlife Photography workshop. It was a good opportunity for me to enhance my skills on the new D850 and the 200-500 lens that I have got just now. It was a good session with our mentors, wherein they were hands-on about all the settings and how we go about photography, starting from the basics till the advanced level of photography in wildlife. This session really did help me a lot. I hope we have more sessions like this down south where more people can participate and make use of it. Thank you.
Hi, I am Shiva from Bangalore. This is my first wildlife photography workshop with Nikon. I had a lot of fun and a lot of key takeaways from this workshop. I was mainly comfortable with like red shots and landscape, and I decided okay, I need to enhance my skills. And when I saw the announcements for like Nagarhole, which is very close to Bangalore, I was very excited, and I got a chance to participate this, and had a lot of opportunity to enhance my skills, got a lot of good mentoring, and happened to spot a lot of rare animals like black manta, barking deers, leopard, and I also learned the art of patience on how to get the approach in capturing the images, and how he handled the situations in wildlife. Kudos to the entire team. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Narendra Kohli, and I'm traveling from Delhi. This is my first Nikon wildlife photography workshop, and it's been an amazing experience. Firstly, because although I bought a D750, but I was not sure like how exactly to use it. So thanks to my mentors, Raghav and Karthik, they got they gave me an opportunity to leverage what are the best possible settings I can use during the wildlife. When you're in the wildlife sanctuary. So I think that was an amazing experience. Secondly, like it was a very good experience because it's not for anybody. Like it's for serious people, like who really want to get into this, this kind of photography. So I would say kudos to the Nikon guys how they have conducted this workshop. Thank you.